Are you planning to trade in or sell your old iPhone? Before handing your device to someone else, you need to erase your personal information completely. In this video, we'll show you how to erase iPhone for trade-in safely, including how to back up your data, remove your Apple account, reset your iPhone, and permanently erase private information. Part 1. What you should do before erasing your iPhone. Before you erase your iPhone, there are a few important things you should do first. First, make sure you have saved anything important, including photos, videos, contacts, messages, and other personal files. If you plan to use a new iPhone, create a backup before erasing your old device. Tip: never erase your iPhone before confirming your backup. Part 2. Back up your iPhone before trade-in. The easiest way to back up your iPhone is through iCloud. Open Settings, tap your Apple account, choose iCloud, and select iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now and wait until the backup finishes. Make sure the latest backup time is updated before continuing. Part 3. Sign out of Apple ID and disable Find My iPhone. Before erasing your iPhone, you need to sign out of your Apple account. This step removes activation lock and allows the next owner to set up the device. Open Settings, tap your name, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Enter your Apple account password when requested. To disable Find My iPhone, open the Settings app, tap your name, go to Find My iPhone, and toggle it off. Part 4. Erase iPhone using built-in settings. Now you can erase your iPhone using Apple's built-in erase option. Open Settings, go to General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. Tap Continue and enter your iPhone passcode. You may need to enter your Apple account password to turn off Find My iPhone. Confirm the erase process. Your iPhone will restart and remove your personal data. Wait until you see the Hello screen. Part 5. Permanently erase iPhone before trade-in with Coolmuster iOS Eraser. Apple's erase feature is convenient for resetting your iPhone. However, if you are selling, donating, or trading in your device and want to permanently remove private information, you can use a professional iOS erasing tool like Coolmuster iOS Eraser. First, install and open Coolmuster iOS Eraser on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust if prompted. After your iPhone is detected, select Erase to initiate the data erasure process on your device. Choose an erasing level to designate the security level for the erasure. Here, you can opt for your preferred security level, low level, medium level, or high level. Once chosen, click the OK button. Enter Delete into the provided blank to confirm, and then click the Erase button. When prompted to confirm the complete erasure of your phone data, click the OK button to initiate the process. The software will erase your iPhone data. Keep your device connected until the process is completed. After the erasing process finishes, your iPhone will automatically reboot, and all your phone data will be permanently and thoroughly wiped, making it unrecoverable. That's how to erase iPhone for trade-in safely.